Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So in the previous video, I showed you the lesson 2. So we tried to complete the lesson 2, programming with Angry Birds, and we've already completed it, and the previous video was too long. So today we're doing lesson 3. We'll try to beat lesson 3, and the lesson 3's name is programming with Harvester. Well, in programming with Harvester, there are so many levels, like 10, like 1 to 10, and there are so many extra levels, like 10 to 15. There are more. I don't know if it's 15 or 10, cause in the previous video it was level 10. I don't think it is 1 to 10, cause programming with Harvester was a big one, and in all the levels there will be a block called repeat. I don't know if that's a repeat block or anything else, so I have to do lesson 3 and try to beat it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm already in my dashboard, and there a button called view course under the course B. So we're gonna press on it, and inside course B there will be so many of lessons. In there will be so many lessons for you, and today we're gonna do is programming with Harvester. You see, there is a sequencing letter. Under the sequencing letter there's so many lessons, and there will be so many levels for you. So since we are doing programming with Harvester today, let's go ahead and get started. To start, I just have to press on level 1, cause I need to start from level 1. You want to see why all these levels are green, cause I already completed them before. So it says to rotate my device, so I'm gonna just rotate my device. So they already did the hint for me, so we don't have to read the hint. So the instruction said help the harvester pick the piece of corn. So they already did those for you. Well, I'm gonna redo it again. So since the harvester is going 3 step east, I'm just gonna put 3 blocks. Oh shit, I almost forgot the repeat block. So we're gonna add in the repeat block, perfect number, and put the east, and also I'm gonna put the peak, cause we already need the peak block to peak all the corns. Like, I'm sorry, there is only one corn, I didn't try to pronounce it. So looks like this is perfect. So let's go ahead and get started. To get started, I just have to press the run button. So let's see what happens if I press the run button, and go. Did it succeed? Like, I need to use the pig block to pick the corns, and since it said congratulations, you completed puzzle 2, it's already done. So we're in puzzle 2, and if we press continue, we'll go to level 3. So it's kind of loading. So it is loaded. So this has to go 3 step west, then this has to go 3 blocks. Well, I don't need these blocks like every single time they do things for you. So we're gonna add in that mini guy repeat block, and since the harvester is going all the way to the west, like we already know those directions, and since the harvester is going to the west, it's right. And also gotta go pick up the pig block. Like, there is a corn picture, that means the harvester is gonna get up the corn. So you see this step button? Well, we'll see it later. So pressing run button, let's see. It did succeed. Well, let's go. So it said, congratulations, you completed puzzle 3. Like, it's not puzzle 3, it's level 3. So when we grow up, we'll see the show code and we can type in easily, like manually, after we learn those things. Like, I haven't even learned them. So if you want to replay again, just press on the replay button. Since this video is for passing the harvester ones, so I'm just gonna press the continue button. So we're in level 4, so it needs to go up 3 steps. Well, that's what I wanted. Well, since I said I will show you what the step block does, well, I'm gonna show you now. So it just does one block for you. It's kind of fast. See, the step block, you have to press it multiple times for completing the thing, and if you press the run button, it'll automatically do it for you. So since I did this, I'm gonna just press continue. We're in level 6. I won't say this again. So you see, this another video came for you. It's the debugging. Like, that's why I showed you what is step. Well, if something happens, you can use the step button to fix and see what's wrong with the code. So I'm just gonna press continue. I already saw this video. I'm in level 6 and they even did this for you. So glad there is no video. Since this is the correct one, I'm just gonna press the run button. So let's see. It games so fast. So it says continue, you completed puzzle 6. I've said it many times. So I'm gonna just press the continue button. So we're in level 7 and wait, how did they do that? Well, I kinda don't need the repeat block, that's a smaller number anyways. Well, it's correct. Let's go ahead and press the run button and see. What the heck? So it says congratulations, you completed puzzle 7 and it is completely completed. And I'm just going to press the continue button since I just passed the level 7. I'm going to press the continue button. Okay, we're in level 8 and many more levels to go to level 15. And there. It says repeat 5 is. I already know what is S. S means south, like in the direction, like this direction. So since it is going 5 steps south, this is the correct one. And also this, since there is one corn, there is one block called pick. So I'm just gonna press the run button and see what happens. Yep, that did it. So it says congratulations, you completed puzzle 8. I've done it. So we're close to level 15. I'm sorry, I didn't want to say that. And continue. So we're in level 9 and the link is easy to type. So it says you have to move in 2 directions to get the corn. Help the harvester to pick the right direction. So it is already right. Like, it's going 2 steps east, 1 step south. And also this mini guy who wants to pick the corn is used to pick the corn. So since this is correct, I'm just gonna press the run button and see what happens. Well, it makes the sound when you pick up the corn, because the corn is ASMR. So I'm just gonna press the continue button since I already completed level 9. We're in level 10. So we're at level 10 and 5 more levels to go. Like I already knew that. See, there are 2 big blocks because you can literally see there one corn and another one corn. So looks like this is correct because it's going 3 step and that's the correct one. I'm gonna press the run button now and see. Did. I already knew that. So we are at puzzle 10. Just more levels. And press the continue button. This mini guy wants to help us go to level 11. And press the continue button. So we're at level 11. And this is add blocks to finish the puzzle. I'm just gonna do it. I won't ever say the so word. So there are 3 of them, 3 of the corns, and they're the correct one. I was going 2 step east, like 1 step east, 1 block pick, 1 step east, 1 block pick, and 1 more side block, and the last one, the pig block. So they're the correct one. I'm just gonna press the run button. Did. Well, without any of those repeat blocks, it will be easier for you. See, they just put the name and just 2 brackets and a colon dash. So we're at level 12. Like I told you in the last part, I told you that there were challenges, some challenges, and there is challenge in level 12. So let's play. I'm ready because you have to behave yourself. This is the hard one. So I'm ready. Let's go ahead. So they even did things for you. Oh fine, let me show you. So this is a east block, this is a pig block, this is a north block, this is a pig block, this is a east block, this is a pig block, this is a north block, and the last one, the pig block. So since this is correct, well, what is that button? Let me see. Oh, I can see it. Oh, that's the skip one. Oh, I accidentally pressed the skip button. I'm just gonna go back to the level I accidentally missed off. So this is correct. I'm just gonna press the run button. There are 4 of them, that's why there is 4 blocks. This is yellow outline. It's said when a block is using or eating anything. So everything is purple because this is a challenge, a nice puzzle. And if you want to see the code, see, even the code is black. I'm just gonna press continue. So we're at level 13. 2 more levels to go. And I'll eat this video like a fish. So there will be correct blocks. I'll prove it to you. West, pick, west, pick, west, pick. Last one, pick. There's 7 blocks that's needed. So let me count. 1, 2, 3. So since there is 3, I'm just gonna remove those blocks and add the new guy who is waiting. I'm just gonna put this in 3, and since it's going to the west, I'm just gonna put the west block and also the pig block. So we've added the pig block. I wonder if I would pick the block, it'll just do nothing. Why is my hand wet after all? So I'm just gonna press the run button and see what happens. See, it just repeats and repeats. So I've completed puzzle 3 and 1 more level to go, and I already told you what will I do with this video. This needs to be 2. Not. The problem was that was needed to be 2, not 3. Now we are at level 15. So it says to help the harvester pick all the coins. So we have completed, like we didn't complete this and they already did this for you. Just let me check, okay? So 2-step east, like the repeat block is already repeating the east block. So it's going 2-step east, yep. And pick, it's gonna pick the first one, and then 1 step south and pick, and 2 steps south and pick, 3 steps south and pick. Well, looks like this is the correct one, and this is the final level. If I press run, I'll end this video. So we're trying to complete this, and here we did it. So it says, congratulations, you complete the final puzzle. Well, the good news is I have completed programming with harvester lesson. Well, that's what the video is for. The video is for complete the programming with harvester lesson. And since I've already completed it, well, this is the end of the video.